The secret your eyes need to discover. Did you know that our eyes can suffer irreversible damage due to silent diseases such as glaucoma and cataracts? And that, according to experts, millions of people around the world are at risk of losing their vision because they don't take care of their eye health. More importantly, are there simple ways to protect your eyes and avoid future problems? While these questions leave us intrigued, we often don't realize that our food can be a powerful ally. Certain foods and drinks contain nutrients that help preserve eye health, preventing the progression of serious diseases. Today, you will discover what these drinks are and how they can transform your vision literally. But are you already consuming enough to protect your eyes? Let's get started. Number 1. Green tea, the drink that can save your eyesight. Imagine starting your day with a cup of green tea and at the same time protecting your eyes against serious diseases. Green tea is known for its antioxidant properties, especially because it contains catechins, compounds that act as natural shields for eye tissues. These catechins are absorbed by structures in the eye, such as the retina and macula, where they help fight damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm our vision over time, especially when factors such as poor diet, sedentary lifestyle, and exposure to toxins come into play. Studies indicate that regular consumption of green tea can reduce intraocular pressure, one of the main factors associated with the development of glaucoma. In research carried out in 2001, scientists fed laboratory rats with green tea extract. The results showed that catechins accumulate in ocular tissues, providing protection that can last up to 20 hours. But why is intraocular pressure so important? When it increases uncontrollably, it can damage the optic nerve, leading to vision loss. Therefore, drinking green tea regularly can be a simple and effective step to keeping your eye health up to date. Now imagine combining these benefits with a healthy lifestyle. The positive impact on your vision can be surprising. Do you want to know more about other allies for your eye health? Get ready. The next item on the list is something you probably already have at home. Number 2. Orange juice, the shield against cataracts. Orange juice, in addition to being a breakfast classic, hides a powerful secret for eye health: vitamin C. This vitamin is an essential antioxidant that protects the eyes against damage caused by oxidative stress, one of the main factors associated with the development of cataracts. Cataracts are caused by the accumulation of damaged proteins in the crystalline lens, the natural lens of our eyes, which end up blocking light and impairing vision. Vitamin C, present in abundance in orange juice, helps to slow down this process, keeping the lens clearer for longer. A decade-long study of more than 1,000 pairs of twins showed impressive results. Participants who regularly consumed foods rich in vitamin C had a 33% reduction in the risk of cataract progression. Additionally, their natural lenses were noticeably clearer compared to those on a low antioxidant diet. Another benefit of orange juice is its ability to strengthen the blood vessels in the eyes, reducing the risk of diseases related to ocular circulation. And if you're not a fan of juice, don't worry. Eating a fresh orange also brings the same benefits to your vision. Incorporating this simple habit into your routine can be a delicious way to protect your eyes against the effects of time. But the next item on our list is even more surprising. Who knew that a drink so popular on social occasions could also help prevent eye diseases? Stick around and find out. Number 3, red wine, a toast to the health of your eyes. Yes, you read that right. Red wine, consumed in moderation, can be a powerful ally in protecting your eyes. This is because it contains resveratrol, a natural antioxidant found in the skins of grapes used in the production of red wine. Resveratrol is known to combat oxidative stress, one of the main causes of premature aging and the formation of cataracts. Furthermore, red wine is rich in carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin, substances that play a vital role in maintaining eye health. These compounds help protect the macula, a crucial area of the retina responsible for central vision, against damage caused by blue light and free radicals. A biobank study carried out in the United Kingdom with almost 500,000 participants revealed that moderate alcohol consumption can significantly reduce the risk of severe cataracts requiring surgery. This means that a simple occasional gift can provide more than joy. It can help preserve your vision. But be careful, here's the secret. Moderation is the key word. Drinking too much can have the opposite effect, damaging your overall health and that of your eyes. Therefore, an occasional small glass of red wine is enough to enjoy its antioxidant benefits. Now, if you're thinking that only fancy drinks help protect your eyes, wait until you see the next item. A simple, colorful, and affordable drink could be the next star of your eye diet. Ready to find out? Number 4. Carrot juice, the fuel for strong eyes. If there is an iconic food for eye health, it is carrots, and turning it into juice is one of the most practical ways to obtain its incredible benefits. The secret lies in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A, essential for healthy vision. Vitamin A plays a fundamental role in the production of rhodopsin, a protein present in the eyes that helps us see in low-light environments. Additionally, carrot juice is also a rich source of lutein, another antioxidant that protects the macula and retina against damage caused by ultraviolet light and blue light. A serving of 100 grams of carrots contains around 8.3 milligrams of beta-carotene, enough to strengthen your eye defenses. And it doesn't stop there. Studies show that the lutein present in carrot juice acts as a natural light filter, reducing the harmful impacts of sun exposure on the eyes. Regular consumption of carrot juice not only helps prevent cataracts, but may also slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in the elderly. To enhance the effects, try adding a little ginger or a pinch of turmeric to your juice. This not only improves the flavor but also adds other powerful antioxidants to the mix. And now, get ready, because the next item will surprise you with its little-known potential for improving eye circulation. Number 5. Beet juice, the secret to perfect eye flow. Beets are more than just a vibrant, flavorful vegetable. It is a rich source of natural nitrates, compounds that the body transforms into nitric oxide, responsible for improving blood flow in various parts of the body, including the eyes. Good ocular blood flow is essential to nourish the retina and reduce intraocular pressure, a critical factor in preventing glaucoma. When eye pressure increases, the optic nerve can be damaged, leading to significant vision loss. Science confirms the benefits. Recent studies suggest that consuming around 130 grams of beetroot juice per day can help regulate intraocular pressure, especially in people with a predisposition to glaucoma. Furthermore, beet leaves, often discarded, are a treasure trove of nutrients. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants known to protect the eyes against damage from light and oxidative stress. And here's a fascinating detail. Beet juice also helps preserve the function of the trabeculum, a type of valve that regulates the drainage of fluid from the eye. When this valve fails, the risk of glaucoma increases. The nitric oxide present in beetroot plays a vital role in keeping this function in perfect balance. A delicious suggestion is to combine beets with carrots and ginger to create a refreshing juice, full of nutrients for the eyes and body. If you thought taking care of your vision was complicated, know that the solution may be in a simple daily cup. But wait, because the next item combines flavor and antioxidant benefits in one irresistible mix. Number 6. Blueberry smoothie, a dose of antioxidant power. Blueberries, known as blueberries, are true jewels of nature when it comes to eye health. These small fruits are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals responsible for damaging eye cells. Anthocyanins are especially useful for strengthening retinal blood vessels, improving eye circulation and reducing the risk of diseases such as glaucoma and macular degeneration. But that's not all. Blueberries are also rich in riboflavin, or vitamin B2, which plays an essential role in maintaining the transparency of the lens. Studies show that a diet rich in riboflavin can significantly reduce the risk of cataracts and even help manage conditions such as keratoconus, a disease that affects the structure of the cornea. And there's more. Some ophthalmological formulations include riboflavin to strengthen the cornea, showing the direct impact of this nutrient on eye health. Preparing a smoothie with fresh blueberries is a delicious way to enjoy these benefits. Combine them with plain yogurt and a touch of almond milk to create a creamy drink rich in antioxidants and nutrients that will protect your eyes throughout the day. With every sip, you'll help protect your vision against the effects of aging and damage caused by blue light. But if you think antioxidants are the only heroes on this list, wait until you discover the next item, a golden drink full of history that fights oxidative stress like no other. Ready to learn more? Number 7. Turmeric tea, natural protection against oxidation. Turmeric, with its vibrant golden color, is not just an exotic spice, it is a powerful weapon against oxidative damage that affects the eyes. The secret of turmeric lies in curcumin, a bioactive compound with proven antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties make curcumin effective in combating oxidative stress, one of the main causes of cataracts and macular degeneration. Research shows that curcumin can help protect the lens against damage from environmental toxins and ultraviolet radiation. Additionally, turmeric helps neutralize free radicals, reducing the formation of damaged proteins in the lens, which can slow the progression of cataracts. But curcumin goes further. Studies indicate that it can help protect the optic nerve and improve ocular circulation, important factors in preventing glaucoma. A simple way to incorporate turmeric into your routine is to prepare turmeric tea. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in a cup of warm water, add a touch of honey to sweeten it, and a pinch of black pepper to improve curcumin absorption. Drinking this mixture daily can offer a consistent dose of protection for your eyes and your body as a whole. And if you think we've already explored all the benefits that drinks can offer, wait until you discover the next item. It is green, nutritious, and can impressively reduce the risk of glaucoma. Number 8. Spinach smoothie, true green magic for your eyes. When we talk about protecting your vision, spinach is a true superfood that deserves a prominent place in your diet. This green leaf is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that act as natural light filters, protecting the macula and retina from damage caused by ultraviolet rays and blue light. Lutein and zeaxanthin are found in high concentrations in the macula, the part of the eye responsible for clear central vision. Consuming spinach regularly can help reduce the risk of macular degeneration and glaucoma, but the benefits don't stop there. Studies show that consuming spinach can improve ocular blood flow thanks to its high nitrate content. These compounds turn into nitric oxide in the body, helping to regulate intraocular pressure, which, when elevated, is one of the main causes of glaucoma. Research has highlighted that consuming 2 generous servings of spinach daily can reduce the risk of glaucoma by up to 30%. To make the most of these benefits, prepare a smoothie with spinach, banana, and a little plant-based milk. This combination is not only delicious, but also provides a potent dose of essential nutrients to keep your eyes healthy. If you thought taking care of your vision was complicated, now you know you can start with something as simple as a smoothie. But wait, because the next item on the list is a true explosion of antioxidants, capable of surprising even the most skeptical. Number 9. Pomegranate juice, the shield against free radicals. The pomegranate is often called the longevity fruit, and for good reason. Pomegranate juice is a powerful source of antioxidants, including polyphenols, which fight free radicals responsible for cellular aging and damage to eye tissues. These antioxidants play a key role in protecting the lens and retina against oxidative stress, reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. A published study revealed that pomegranate juice has a higher antioxidant capacity than other drinks, such as green tea and red wine. This means it is an extremely effective tool for preserving eye health and preventing age-related diseases. Additionally, pomegranate juice contains vitamin C and E, which help strengthen ocular blood vessels and improve circulation to the retina. Another surprising benefit is its anti-inflammatory action, which can be helpful in reducing eye swelling and preventing complications associated with conditions like glaucoma. To maximize its benefits, prepare the juice using fresh pomegranates and, if possible, avoid artificial sweeteners. Drink a regular dose to keep your eyes protected from the damage of time and environmental exposure. But if you think pomegranate is already impressive, the next item combines freshness and eye regeneration power like few others. Number 10. Pineapple juice with mint, refreshing and restorative. Nothing combines flavor and eye health better than pineapple juice with mint. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that helps prevent oxidative damage to the lens, reducing the risk of cataracts. Additionally, this tropical fruit contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve swelling and improve circulation in eye tissues. Mint, in turn, is an herb full of phytonutrients and antioxidants that contribute to eye health. Its cooling effect is not only pleasant, but also helps reduce discomfort caused by eye strain, especially after long periods of exposure to blue light. One of the best ways to enjoy the benefits of this combination is to prepare a juice with fresh pineapple, mint leaves, and ice water. The result is a delicious and nutritious drink that can be consumed throughout the day, especially during periods of greater visual effort. In addition to protecting against cataracts, pineapple juice with mint also promotes adequate hydration, which is crucial for keeping your eyes lubricated and avoiding problems such as dry eyes. And if you think the antioxidant benefits are over, wait to discover the next item, which brings a burst of vitamin C and a citrus touch that your eyes will thank you for. Number 11. Kiwi juice with lemon, the vitamin C explosion your eyes need. When we talk about vitamin C to protect vision, kiwi juice with lemon is a real powerhouse. Kiwi is among the fruits richest in vitamin C, with almost triple the amount found in oranges. Lemon, in addition to complementing this vitamin C content, provides flavonoids that increase the body's antioxidant capacity. These nutrients work together to protect your eyes against free radical damage, which can lead to problems like cataracts and macular degeneration. Furthermore, vitamin C plays an important role in the synthesis of collagen, an essential protein for maintaining the healthy structure of the cornea and lens. Kiwi juice with lemon is also an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidant compounds that act as natural filters against blue light damage. Another benefit of this combination is its ability to reduce eye inflammation and improve blood circulation, crucial factors in preventing conditions such as glaucoma and dry eye syndrome. Preparing this drink is simple and quick. Just combine the pulp of a ripe kiwi with the juice of half a lemon and a little cold water. If desired, add a touch of honey to soften the acidic flavor and create a refreshing drink full of eye benefits. Now that you know this arsenal of drinks to protect your vision, it's time to reflect on the importance of taking care of your eyes daily. A new vision of health awaits for you. Your eyes are the window to the world, and taking care of them is one of the best ways to preserve your quality of life. By incorporating these antioxidant and nutrient-rich drinks into your routine, you're taking an important step toward protecting your vision against the challenges of time and environment. Remember that small habits can generate big results. A cup of green tea, a carrot juice, or even a spinach smoothie may seem like simple gestures, but they have the power to transform the health of your eyes and prevent problems that could impact your life. Furthermore, it is essential not to forget to schedule regular eye exams, as prevention is always the best medicine. Your vision deserves attention, care, and commitment. Start making choices today that will benefit your eyes for a lifetime. Imagine the future with a clear and healthy vision, appreciating all the details around you. This journey begins now with one small step, and the results can be surprising. After all, taking care of your eyes is investing in yourself and your ability to see the best in life. Now it's your turn. Choose one of these drinks to start and enjoy the benefits they can bring. What will you do today to give your eyes the care they deserve?